Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 56. Which value is not in the domain of f of x equals square root of x minus 5? So we have the domain, and like I said, in SAT or most of the math questions in all the tests, always want to ask something is not at what the topic is, right? So we try to find the domain, and we have something in mind. Keep in mind that if we have the fractions of numerator over the domain have to be different from 0. Otherwise, the fraction will be undefined if the domain equals 0. That's one more note. The second one is the radicand. Something underneath the radicand. So if we have the square root of a, that a have to be greater than or equal to 0 to be defined. So this is the definitions to be defined. Okay, now they say it's not the domain, so we find something out of that interval. All right. So in this case, we have f of x is square root of x minus 5. So the domain will be x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. We're working on this one. So a is the whole thing under the square root. That is our a. Okay, a greater than or equal to 0. Now we solve for it. We add 5 both sides. That cancel. We have x greater than or equal to 5. So if we write in the interval notations, this one will be look like bracket 5 comma positive infinity parenthesis, right? If we represent it on the number line, right? This is 5. Let's say 0 here. Go here is positive infinity. On this side is negative infinity. Then we will close at this point, and we're using the bracket toward that point. The red area is going to be our answers, the interval we want, right? That is defined. But this one they're asking for not defined, so something have to be from here below. So it will be from negative infinity to 5, not include 5. In that interval, f of x is not defined. So now we see that the only numbers, the answer choice A is 4, is right here. So it's in that area right here, right? And it's not defined, right? The rest, we have 6, 7, 8.5 in the defined area. And include 5. Remember, include 5 because this is the dot. We use is close, and we use the bracket. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.